My name is Ivana. I love my family, my mother, my father, my sister. My name is White. I like cars and bicycle very much. I am Alex. I love sports. I play football. I can swim. My name is Nikinescu. I like fruit. I like apple. I like orange. I like strawberry. I like banana. My name is Natalia. I like animals. I like dogs. I like cats and rabbits. My name is Jane. I love math. Tomato, potato, and carrot. I want to be strong. These are children from Kalina Malina. They are wonderful children, and we want to be friends with you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.